Really, the only thing that we've added to our chicken feed is one, the pasture and the free ranging ability, and two, we sometimes will add like eggshells or diatomaceous earth or like crushed, oyster shells to give more grit into the diet. But this is something new for us. We haven't added a lot of cayenne pepper, a lot of garlic powder, a lot of these ingredients that are in the flock armor. So this is new for us, and I'm excited to see what's up. But it looks like it's all natural. Chili flakes, flaxseed, oregano, garlic powder, capsaicin. This is just a really dense offering of what we do on a free-ranging scale. If they wanted to go into the garden and eat the chili flakes, they could do that, or eat the chili peppers, or the oregano growing, or bee balm, whatever they have access to. But this is just like the density of this is something that I could see would be really, really good for backyard chicken flocks in like stationary coops, particularly where they might not be getting those nutrients that they would get from free ranging. But even for the free range chicken, more protein, more fat, more fiber, more moisture, more omega-3 fatty acids. How can that really be a bad thing when you're adding it in density? So I think it's cool. I think it has a place in the market, and I'm excited to be given this product to review and share with you guys. So we're thankful to be a part of this Flock Armor partnership. We don't do a lot of these, and this is probably the first one, but we're not going to gatekeep information or gatekeep a product that might be of some benefit to the backyard chicken owner. This is what we're about. We're not about gatekeeping information too. That's why we've got a lot of free resources. If you comment Coop below, we'll make sure that we drop all that free information straight to your inbox. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for hopefully more product reviews that benefit chickens and benefit sustainable homesteading all across the nation. Check us out, sustainablehomestead.com. Come see us in person in Ridgeway, Virginia. We'll be happy to show you around and show you the process that we're using to make the highest quality produce for ourselves and our family.